Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video ay i-share ko sa inyo yung laman nitong makeup kit ko. Ayan, as you can see, medyo bulky siya, but these are all basic makeups. Hindi ko naman lahat ginagamit to. Of course, yung iba ginagamit ko pag may occasions. Meron din dito yung pang everyday use ko. And more like mga favorite makeups ko na hindi pwedeng mawala dito sa makeup bag ko. So without further ado, let's get started. I have this cute bag and nabili ko lang siya sa SM department store and mura lang to guys. This bag has a 1P compartment and what I like about this one is madami ka nang pwedeng ilagay dito. Like a full face makeup, like for example may mga occasions, ganyan. Marami ka nang malalagay dito. And I prefer this kind of bag para alam mo yun, pwede mo nang ilagay yung full face makeup mo pag may mga occasions, events, ganyan. So yeah. And, ayan. Ganito yung itsura niya. And this is what it looks like. Ayan. May flower design lang siya dyan. So, ganito sa loob niya. Ayan. Medyo madami siyang laman. So, saan tayo mag-start? I have here the sunscreen and it has SPF 50. Sobrang importante nito na lagi ko tong dala sa bag ko. Kasi whenever I go out and I'm sweating, I need to reapply again in order to maintain yung sun protection. Especially when I'm staying long in the sun, ganyan. Kahit kayo din guys, it's not good for your skin na nagstay kayo ng matagal sa araw. Lalo na guys, from 11 AM to 3 PM, ayan, iwasan nyo yung mga ganong oras na lumabas. Kasi ganong oras, grabe yung sun damage sa skin natin. Next is I have this one. This is the Baby Skin Pore Eraser from Maybelline and I always use this one whenever I put makeup kasi ang ganda ng finish ng makeup ko kapag nagpa-primer ako. Next is I have these two concealers. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and I'm in the shade Light and Caramel. And I use this one for spot concealing and also for covering yung mga blemishes, dark spots, dark circles, ganyan. And pinaghalo ko lang tong dalawang to in order to have a natural coverage on my face. Next is I have this foundation. This is the Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me Foundation. And I'm in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. And I don't usually use this one kasi kapag mga normal days lang, syempre, gusto naman natin yung mga natural look lang, ganyan. And ayaw naman natin yung medyo heavy sa feeling, ganyan. Okay, next is this one. This is my favorite. This is Eyeshadow Powder Plus Foundation. And I know, lagi nyo na itong nakikita sa mga makeup videos ko. It's really my favorite, guys. Sobrang tagal ko nang ginagamit to since college days pa. And it's really my favorite, guys, na foundation. Kasi hindi ako nagbe-breakout dito. And as you all know, I have a very sensitive skin. And nag-try na ako ng ibang powder and besh. Nag-breakout ako. So, yun. Hindi na ako nagpalit pa. And I also have this one. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Powder Foundation and I'm in the shade 220 and recently ko lang to na-discover guys. Yes, I know. Sobrang ganda pala nito guys. I use this one whenever I need a matte finish or kailangan ko ng extra coverage sa face ko or kapag nagpa-foundation ako. And maganda siyang gamitin whenever I use this foundation from Maybelline. Ayan, sobrang perfect nitong dalawang to guys. Sobrang perfect ng coverage ng face ko guys kapag ginagamit ko tong dalawang to. For my eyebrows, I usually use Eyebrow Pencil kasi I find it very easy to use, lalo na pag nagmamadali ako. So, I have this one. This is the Designing Eyebrow Pencil from the Face Shop. And I know, lagi nyo na itong nakikita sa mga makeup videos ko. As you can see, sobrang gamit na gamit ko na siya. Ayan, wala na siyang takip. And nga pala, this is in the shade Gray Brown. And I super love this one kasi sobrang natural lang niya sa kilay ko. And if you want a natural stroke sa eyebrows nyo, I would definitely recommend this one. Actually, kailangan ko na ulit bumili ng ganito kasi paubos na ulit siya. And by the way, sobrang mura lang din ito guys. And I also have this one. This is the Pro Eyebrow Pencil from Sassy Lady and this is number 3 and maganda din to guys. And maganda din to guys kapag gusto niya ng natural eyebrows lang and ito yung gamit ko sa eyebrows ko ngayon. Ganyan. Ganito yung shade niya guys para makita nyo. Ayan o, sobrang kita nyo ba? Sobrang nice. Ayan. To curl my eyelashes, I have this one from Eyeshadow. Sobrang tagal na nito guys sa akin. More than 1 year na ata. And as you can see, lubog na din yung rubber niya dito. And sobrang mura lang din ito guys. For my mascara, I have these two from Maybelline and alam naman natin na ang gaganda ng mascara ng Maybelline. Sobrang dami ko ng mascara ng Maybelline and hindi naman lahat madadala ko sa makeup bag ko. So, I have these two of my favorites. Lagi ko talagang ginagamit to. This one is the Total Temptation and this one naman is yung Hyper Curl nila. And I can still remember nung nag-start pa lang ako sa pag-makeup. Ito yung pinakauna kong mascara na binili. Sobrang mura lang nito guys. Very budget-friendly, student-friendly. And sa mga makeup kit talaga ng mga students, ito yung hindi talaga mawala-wala. Pak na pak talaga yung eyelashes mo pag ginamit mo to. Next is this one. This is a liquid eyeliner from Maybelline again. And this is their Hyper Sharp Liner. And I don't usually use this one on an everyday use kasi medyo hassle siya for me. But I always have this on my pouch kasi medyo maliit lang naman siya. Just in case nakakailanganin ko siya and kailangan ko ng liquid eyeliner. Andyan lang siya sa makeup bag ko. For a liquid eyeliner, ma-recommend ko to kasi sobrang dali lang niya i-apply. For my blush, I have this one from Careline. This is in the shade Rosy Cheek. And sobrang mura lang nito guys. I think less than 100 lang siya. And I would definitely recommend this one kapag gusto mo ng mestiza look lang. Ganito yung shade niya. Sobrang ganda nito guys, I swear. Ayan o. Perfect. Ayan o, kita nyo ba? And I also have this one from BLK Cosmetics. Meron na siyang contour, blush, and highlighter. And I love this one kasi nagagamit ko talaga siya on normal days. Ganito sa loob niya guys, and sobrang nice tong blush on niya. Pwede mo din siyang gawing eyeshadow kapag just in case na wala kang dalang eyeshadow, ganyan. Sobrang nice nung palette na to. Yung blush on, wait lang, iswatch ko siya guys para makita nyo yung shade ng blush on. Sobrang nice nito. Ganito. Ayan o guys, sobrang nice. Diba? Also guys, the highlighter is really perfect and yung contour naman sobrang sakto lang niya sa skin tone ko at talaga nagbe-blend siya. And then may kasama na siyang salamin which is really nice. For my eyeshadow, I have this one from Fashion 21. It's their eyeshadow kit in number 4 and I love this one kasi it's very compact. Aside from that is ang gaganda ng mga shades niya. Meron siyang dark color to bright color na pwede mong gamitin from day to night look. And sobrang mura lang nito guys. I think less than 500 lang siya. And you already get 5 shades. Ay ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you already get 5 shades. For the lip products, I have this one. This is a lip balm. And this is from Vaseline. And I also have this one from Human Nature. And sobrang bango nito, guys. Sa lipstick naman, which is my favorite sa lahat ng mga makeup products. And ito mga ipapakita ko pala sa inyo is not always the same na nasa makeup bag ko. Kasi depende siya sa mood ko. And ngayon, nahihilig ako sa mga nude shade. And I have this from Maybelline. This is the Clay Crush. And ganito yung shade niya. Ayan. Sobrang nice nitong shade na to. And then, meron din ako ditong shade na almond pink pag gusto ko ng medyo pinkish na color. Ganito naman yung itsura niya, guys. And actually, ito yung gamit ko ngayon. So, tignan niyo siya pag sinwatch ko. Ayan, no? This is really nice. And I also have this one kapag gusto ko ng medyo orange na color. This is from Sunny Space and ito yung lip dip nila. It's in the shade Peachy Kinda. And ganito yung shade niya guys. And I don't think na maswatch ko siya ng maayos kasi paubos na siya. Pero ganito siya. Ayan guys, sobrang nice nito. And lagi ko itong ginagamit nung nag-i-intern ako kasi very natural look lang. And then, kapag gusto ko naman na medyo reddish, I use this one. This is from the Face Shop. Ito yung matte up lip tint nila. Ayan. Ayan. Sobrang nice din ito, guys. So, ayun lang guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social media accounts. And see you again in my next video. Bye!